Okay, this is a tutorial for Sunday Best, as in a key of F major. Alright, all white notes except for B flat. Okay, so we're gonna break down the first measure of the right hand. Okay, now this song does not start on 1. It starts on the end of 1. So that's called a pickup, which gives it syncopated rhythm. All right, this is what gives the song the groove, makes you want to move. Okay, so we're going to break down the chords. All right, C chord. All right, it's a C first inversion chord. Then it goes to a F7 chord. Then it moves to a C second inversion chord. Then it moves to a B flat 7 chord. A flat D F A inversion. All right. So this will be a second inversion of a B flat 7 chord. So those chords again. C major, first inversion, then C, E, F, A, all right, it's a F7 chord, all right, second inversion, then you move to G, C, E, okay, C chord again, second inversion, all right, this is a B flat 7 chord, second inversion. So now with the count now, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, so we're going to continue into the second measure. Okay. The chords in the second measure, it's a B flat chord. The B flat right below middle C. B flat D F. All right, leading into a G minor first inversion chord. So that's an easy transition. B D F to B flat D F into B flat D G. Okay, so there's a tie in from the first measure when we get to this chord, the B flat 7 chord. So it ties into the first count of the second measure, count 1, and then on count 2, we hit the B flat root position chord. This will be 2 and then you're going to go 3 and then we go to the G minor chord, 4 and. So first and second measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's do that again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so let's get the left hand going. Okay, so we're gonna start on A3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, so that's measure 1 and measure 2, the left hand. So let's do that again. It starts on A3. 1 and 2 to measure 2, 1 and 2 and then to the C note, 3 and 4 and one last time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so now we're going to combine both hands. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's do that again, maybe a little bit slower so you get it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and together 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, so you keep practicing until it feels comfortable. So a little bit faster, measure 1 and measure 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so on to the third measure. Again, it does not start on count 1. It starts on the end of count 1. So this time we're going to do C, root position. 1 and 2 to the F chord. F second inversion. Then down to the C chord. Second inversion also. So B flat, second inversion. All right, so a lot of second inversion chords. C, major root position. Then C, F, A, right? F major, second inversion. C, F, A. Then down to C major, second inversion. G, C, E. And then B flat major, second inversion. F, B flat, D. All right? And this ties into measure 4. And then we're going to do this pattern again, the B flat major chord, 2 and 3 and back to the G minor chord, B flat, D, G. All right, so third measure and fourth measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. One more time, measures 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so the left hand, it's similar to measures 1 and 2. So we're going to do the same thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so let's do from the beginning, from measures 1 to 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and measure 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so let's do that again. Measures 1 to 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, once it feels comfortable, again, you pick up the speed, but slow and steady. All right, Because once you feel comfortable playing it slowly, you just have to tell yourself play it faster. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4. One more time, let's clean it up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, now measure 5. We're going to start off with the C chord. Alright, C second inversion. Then we're going to go to, alright, a D minor 7 chord. And then you're going to come down to A minor, A, C, E, and then we come back to this B flat 7 chord off of the F. So this is measure number 5. So it starts with the C second inversion. Then it goes up to the D minor 7 chord. Then it goes to A minor root position. And then to the B flat 7 chord. Alright, B flat 7 chord is the second inversion off of the F. F, A, B flat, D. So the B flat 7 chord is really B flat, D, F, A. So we're playing an inversion. So measure 5, the count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and. So it ties into measure 6. All right. So the structure of the beginning of the song is very similar. All right. Again, syncopated rhythm. All right. A lot of ties. So measure 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and. Now we're back to the B flat major chord. 2 and 3 and 4 and. So one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so again we're gonna go all the way from the beginning. All right, we're gonna combine